Yes. Yeah, well, if when we do that kind of stuff, we'll definitely tweet it. I know there's other kind of signings and stuff too, so I honestly don't know that much about it. I've never done it before, so it'll be interesting. But yeah, anything like that, we'll post on our Facebook, and it'll also be on all. They have a bunch of boards throughout the place that kind of direct you towards that kind of stuff. I don't know. I have no idea. I think someone gave them to us as a gift. Yes.
I have a comment. Randy Curtis is a pimp, and I have a question.
That's a great comment. It is. It's true. Michael, she likes you a lot.
What was that?
I have a question.
Okay.
So you that thing in the video when you were like, Randy Curtis is signing off?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, can I film it?
Oh, you want me to do it?
Yeah. Like right now.
Okay. The whole thing?
Yeah.
Or just that one part? Because I don't remember what I did. Honestly, I just make stuff up.
We'll sing the song, and then you'll do the part.
You just want me to say Randy Curtis signing off?
Yeah.
This is Randy Curtis signing off. I wish I had a mustache. I need the mustache. I'm sorry. I actually had a mustache a couple days ago, but I had to shave it, so. Sorry. Cool. Any more questions for Cameron? Oh. What? I'm so confused. What was that?
This time, we've seen you guys 5 times in the last 2 years. Are you guys going to tour as often under your new group?
Yes. Unless everybody hates us, then no. But yeah, I think you guys all. I hope you guys will be there. So yes, the answer is.
We try to go where the people want us. That's usually what we try to do. So hopefully people want us to do stuff. But I mean, you don't even know if it's good. We could literally just, our new band could just be white noise that we recorded, and we just blare through a PA at 150 decibels.
You guys would still come though, probably.
Would you guys want to come at that point?
Yes.
Sweet.
You guys have a really bad taste in music.
What was your question?
How are you guys feeling today?
How are we feeling today? Indifferent. No, I'm just kidding. I feel really cool. I feel really cool. How do you
Birds
feel?
flying high,
What does that mean?
you know how I feel. Don't know the rest of the song, but it means I'm feeling good.
Is that Justin Bieber?
No.
Then nobody cares. Look at this guy, hardest dude in America, standing on the stairs. He will lead the way. Check out his jean jacket. His nickname is Roger Klotz.
I also apologize in advance.